afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a site called HighestPaidGPT. It is a get paid to site. You get paid to do things like take surveys, watch videos, and many other things on here as well. What you guys can do on here to earn points and convert those points into cash. So we're going to go over here to the Offer Walls tab. I'm basically going to go over my routine that I use to get the points I need to convert them into cash. So what I use on here, I use MinuteStaff, and MinuteStaff is basically, it takes you over to a site where you view a website and you let the website load. Once the website loads, you exit off of it and it gives you points. Tap Research is a survey platform where you can take surveys. If you don't complete the survey, you will get disqualification points between 2 and 6 points. Their reach is a lot like Tap Research. You will get disqualification points from them as well. If you guys would like to contact HighestPaidGPT, they have a support tab over here. You can submit a trouble ticket. You can also look at their FAQs if you have any questions. And I'm going to also show you guys how you can withdraw in here. So once you get a minimum of 200 points, you will then convert those points over to cash. And once that happens, you can come over here and withdraw cash. Now, the first withdrawal you will be doing is going to come in the form of a check. And then it says if your first check payment have just been sent, you will need to deposit it ASAP. You can only withdraw again 24 hours after your withdrawal is completed. So after your check has been cleared, you will then be able to come back on HighestPaidGPT, earn another 200 points, convert those points over to cash. And remember, the minimum cash out is $2. And you will then be able to come off here and request PayPal. So I want to take you guys now over to my PayPal account to show you I received a payment from HighestPaidGPT. Okay, so here is my payment. I've received $1.96 from HighestPaidGPT, and I've cashed out from HighestPaidGPT twice. The first time I cashed out, I received a check, and I have a payment proof video showing you that on my channel as well. So this is my second payout from HighestPaidGPT. It is $1.96. Okay, so that is basically everything you need to know about HighestPaidGPT. You get paid to take surveys, watch videos, and do trial offers, and many other things as well. Okay, so for staying on this video as long as you have, I would like to give you guys a free gift. Okay, so here we are on the page that shows you your free gift. In order for you to receive your free gift, you would need to enter your correct information below. Click on Get Course. That course is then going to be sent to you, your email. Once you receive that course in your email, you're going to click on the link. And once you've opened your email and you've clicked on the link, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. This is your free Instagram masterclass. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. They've really helped me learn a lot about Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can market on Instagram. And I also want to let you know you have a bonus as well. So if you want to check that out, you can tap on the click here button and it will take you to that bonus, and that is free as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care.